Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to my channel. So I'm heading down to the garage and it's about the Tesla here. I got a new product and I want to show it to you. So let's sit here for a second. And this is from Tparts, and they sent me this here, and they are seat kick mats for the front seats. So this is delivered in a normal cardboard box, and then it comes in just this plastic pouch here. So, and the label is rather simple. It says item name seat kick mat and with pocket, color black, material leather, with a typo, and quantity 1 set, origin China. Okay, check it out. Here we go. And this is what it looks like. Okay, here. This is a soft material, feels good. Inside is soft too, so it shouldn't rattle. There are some metal hooks here where you clamp it underneath the seats on the seat frame. And there's some plastic things here that you stick on the side under the plastic protective frame, whatever you call it, on the seat. I'll show you. And then you hook these on the original seat pocket, the back of the seat pocket in your Tesla, and that's it. The material, they say leather, but it is not leather. I can clearly see that this is some kind of vinyl. Smelled it, it is not leather, but that doesn't matter, you know. This is meant as a kickback for the seat. So if you have kids that want to kick the seat all the time, so that hard material scratches and it makes noise too, so like that. And if you have this, they can kick, and it is washable and it's not noisy, and it keeps your plastics scratch free. So I guess that's why it's good. And I already have one in the car and I have one here. So let's go look at the one in the car and I'll show you what I did and how I put it in. And so we can put this one in too, or maybe you can just figure it out because it's super easy. Okay, it's of course dark in my Tesla here. I don't have my big light here. Let's see what I can do here to get some more light in here. Maybe a flashlight. Okay, let's see. Okay, can you see what it is? Looks pretty good, doesn't it? And here on the side, this is where you clip it in, and then these are the hooks on top, and then underneath you just click it, hook it underneath the seat frame somewhere, which is super easy. I did it without even looking underneath to see. I just used my fingers and found a good spot to hook it on, and there we go. Very easy installation. It's done in 30 seconds, so super easy. Okay, let's look at that again. These guys here on the side, that's what you see. This, you go underneath this with it right here, right there on the side. It's a little dark here and a little hard to show. That's why you clip it in, go down, and then hook it on here and at the bottom, and it's installed. So since I don't have my light today, I think I'll leave the video at this. And if you guys are interested in this product, please go on my channel description and look at all my links for Tparts. And if you put in my discount code HANGER, you will get 10% off the product. So it's worth it if you have kids, and if you like the looks of it. It looks like it came OEM. It looks good. Can tell you that it's the same type of black. If you don't like it, look at all my other Tparts accessories that I reviewed. For example, that spoiler there, that looks very OEM, and it's real carbon fiber. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Please do subscribe and like, and come back for more Tesla accessories and also more videos on my other cars. Have a good day and thank you for your support.